Today we're going to talk about the new VTO2311R-WP. This is Dahua Technology's new slimline design high definition intercom unit. I was able to get myself a VTO2311R-WP, and at the weekend I did a temporary installation, and of course I just wanted to demo the product. As you'll see from the forthcoming video, I connected it to most things around the house, and of course I think you'll find it is rather impressive. The device supports two-way communication and high-definition video, including video features such as wide dynamic range and backlight compensation.
Calling now. Please wait a moment. The door is unlocked. The door is unlocked. The end of the call.
The device supports wired and wireless. The device also includes a built-in IC card reader and very impressively can be powered by PoE. Show me door intercom.
Okay.
Excellent. I think this device is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to take my temporary installation and make more of a permanent installation, and I very much plan on continuing to use this product. I think it's simply excellent. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. All the best.